Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your documents with Adobe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the document you want to transfer. Click on the document to select it. Then, click on Open to load the file in Adobe Acrobat. Once the document is open, go to File again. This time, select Save As. Choose the destination folder where you want to save your document. Enter a new file name if necessary. Select the desired file format from the drop-down menu. Click Save to complete the process. If you need to transfer multiple documents, repeat these steps for each file. To transfer documents to a different device, use a cloud service or USB drive. If using a cloud service, log into your account. Upload the stored file to your cloud storage. From your other device, log into the same cloud account. Download the document to your new device. If using a USB drive, insert the drive into your computer. Copy the desired files onto the USB drive. Safely eject the USB drive and insert it into the other device. Open the USB drive and copy the files to your new location. Always verify that your documents transferred correctly. And there you have it, your documents successfully transferred using Adobe Acrobat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.